Hey, so I've been getting a lot of requests lately on people asking me how to do the rolling kicks there. So this is sort of my walkthrough on how I learned the rolling kicks, the rolling snares, the rolling toms. It's all sort of the same thing. So I always sort of start out with my right hand just doing the eighth notes, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And lots of people do it different. Lots of people sort of do just the hats on the right hand. But I find it easier if you keep your right hand on the eighth notes. Then you can keep your left hand to do the 16th notes. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's the exact same as that's exactly what I'm doing there. But I'm just putting my left hand in for every in between bar basically. And the same thing, you can throw it in the kicks, like, so the 16th notes are like, so then to get the rolling kicks in there, you're basically just keeping this on the 16th, but you're throwing in, I don't know if it's a 32ths or like a 16th and a third, but you're basically, I've got my drum set up so it's just this Nas break. So basically, your kicks are here, your snares are here, your hats are here, and I'm just using these two to do the rolling kick. So it's like, so you're taking your 16ths. But then you're throwing in a 16th and a third, I guess. And you can do some cool things, like you don't need to just do the kicks. You can do the snares there as well, or the toms. So hopefully that helps you guys out. It's always dope to see people finger drumming on the MPCs, so hopefully that gets you guys a little further in your MPC 1000ing or 2000ing, whatever you got. They're all dope. Next week maybe I'll teach the how we do the rolls here, but with some drums as well. Something like that. Peace.
Here we go!